In this tutorial, I will show you that how can fix there has been an error in Microsoft Store in just few easy steps. If you are getting this error message while downloading or installing an app, follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Start menu, search for Services and click on the Services window. Now, scroll down the list until you find Microsoft Store Install Service. Double click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Now click on the stop and wait a few seconds. After that, click Apply, then OK. Next, double click on the same service again. Click on Start to resume the service. Then click OK and close the service window. Now, go back to Start menu, search for Settings and open it. From the left hand side, select Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Scroll all the way down and find System Components, then click on it. Now scroll down to Microsoft Store, click on the three horizontal dots and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. Once the repair is finished, click on Reset, then confirm by clicking Reset again. Close the settings window. Next, open the Start menu, search for Run and open it. Then type wsreset.exe and press enter. This will automatically open the Microsoft Store. Search for the application you were trying to install earlier and try downloading it again. The issue should be fixed. So that's how you can fix there has been an error in Microsoft Store in just few easy steps.